See here the third point, when two or more lines pass through the same point. Now see here, you can see here the point. Okay, suppose one line is this. Okay, this is one line. This is the second line. Okay, when two or more lines, one line was there, this is the two. Now more than this, okay, more than this two line. When two or more lines pass through the same point, suppose this is one line, second line, okay, one more line I am suppose doing it here. Okay, two or more lines. Now here more means can be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, how many? Okay, when two or more lines pass through the same point, that is from here, from this point. Okay, all the lines are passing from this point. When two or more lines pass through the same point, they are called concurrent lines. Remember this, concurrent lines. ध्यान दो, two या more than two, that is as many lines, when they pass from this point, it is known as concurrent lines. Okay, and the common point, now common मतलब एक single point from where all the lines are passing. Now all this line is passing from where, which point? This point. This is only known as common. Common मतलब सब लाइन का वही एक पॉइंट है, दैट इज वाई इट इज नोन एज कॉमन पॉइंट. ठीक है, सी हियर, एंड द कॉमन पॉइंट थ्रू विच दे पास, ऑल दिस लाइन इज पासिंग, ठीक है, इज कॉल्ड पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्करेंस. CONCURRENCE, concurrence. Okay, this point's name is what? Point of concurrence. ठीक है, so you complete this. After this I'll give you the next